Okay, now as you can see, I'm offline. It's 4:42, right after we just played Sendun and Funksy. Look, now my PS3 is frozen. Look, I can't even sign in. Hold up, shit's frozen. Connecting to online services. I can't. They flooded me right after. This is ridiculous. Yeah, look at this. This is fucking retarded. %100%. Okay, I was fucking flooded. 4:42, 4:43. Right after we just played Sendun, which I have another video. I'll show its correct time and everything. This will be getting escalated. I swear to God. Hold on, give me 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Set via internet. Okay. It's the correct time. Okay. I'm back online.